number of students unable to eat lunch. Okay, let's get started. The school cafeteria offers circular and square sandwiches at lunch break, referred to by numbers 0 and 1 respectively. All students stand in a queue. Each student either prefers square or circle sandwiches. The number of sandwiches in the cafeteria is equal to the number of students. Sandwiches are placed on a stack. At each step. Let me give me a charger. At each step, if a student at the front of the queue prefers a sandwich on the top of the stack, they will take it and leave the queue. Otherwise, they will leave it and go to the queue's end. This continues until another queue students will want to take a top sandwich and thus are unable to eat. I see. You were given two integers and sandwiches where I is the where sandwiches I is the type of the I sandwich on the stack. Okay, I being 0 is the top of the stack, and students J is the preference of J is the front of the queue. Return the number of students that are unable to eat. I see. Okay. So okay. So inputs are students, which is array of ints. So this it's queue of students who prefer 0 or 1, and then sandwiches array of ints, stack students, stack of sandwiches either 0 or 1 equal to 0 is top of stack, and J equal to 0 is top of stack. Top of is the front of queue. Okay. So queue and stack is something to note. And so output number of students unable to eat, student integer. Students preference should match this top of this sandwich stack. Okay, let's go through this example. So student I, student 1 0 0, sandwiches 0 0 1. So front student leaves the top of sandwich and returns the end of line, making students 1. So because 1 is here and it wants 0, it goes back to 1. Front of the student leaves the top of sandwich and returns the 1 because it's 0. Front of the takes the top of sandwich because it likes it, so then leaves it. Front of the 1. Takes 0 1 and so okay 0 0 1. 3 4 1 2 3. Okay. So I think just looking at this initially, where like these two should take these two. 1. 1 2 3 4 6. 1 2 3. Lengths will be the same. Difference is 2 kids won't be able to get 1 2 3. Okay. So that what we could do is just simulate the situation itself, right? So is there a queue? Either we if you do the queue object itself, what's the queue? Let's see if I have the queue thing saved. Okay, queue.collect and stuff. Okay, so for let's just take students. Okay, and then sandwiches. Change to good true. Wow. Change is equal to false. For student top preference equals student q index 0. If sandwich sand index is equal to 0, sand index. Okay, no, it should be oh man, why is this a little bit harder than I expected or that I want it to be. Q at 0 is not equal to sandwiches at sand index. Pop left q dot append val, and then if q at 0 is equal to sandwiches sand index there's no way this works, right? There's no Get right. Val change on Q. Okay, that's that's funny. That's optimal. Can't think of the optimal, and I'm very tired. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.